Hey there, it's Dave, the founder of FlipperForce, house flipping and real estate project management software. I'm here to walk you through our FlipperForce platform from start to finish to help you quickly get acquainted with all of the tools that you can use to streamline your house flipping and real estate business. So let's dive into it. First, I want to start by showing you our high-level dashboards that you can use to help you manage your entire real estate operation. So I'm currently on the main project dashboard. This is what you'll see when you first log in and where you'll see all of your projects that you've created in your account. You've got an overall table view here of every project that you've created, and you even have a map view showing you where all of your projects are located so you can have a bird's eye view of your entire real estate portfolio. Now, at the top of the main dashboard, you'll see you have a subheading which organizes your projects by leads, active projects, and completed portfolio. The lead dashboard, this is where you'll manage all of your leads that you're currently pursuing, analyzing, and negotiating. The lead dashboard, it provides a simple workflow for you to use that you can easily move the lead through each stage of the due diligence process. You even have a table view that shows you the deal analysis info and profitability of every lead that you have in your pipeline. Once you get a property under contract, this is when you'll move the project over to the active project dashboard, where you can manage all of your active projects you currently have under contract and under construction. The project cards and the table views, they show you a high-level stage and status of your projects, important milestone dates, and compares your budget versus actuals, so you can see if the project is over or under budget. Once you complete a project and get it sold, you can move it to your completed portfolio, where you have a complete history of every project your company has ever completed, and a table view showing the final profitability of each deal. So these are the main dashboards to just help you get a high-level view of your entire real estate operation. Now let's dive into the specific project features that you have available for each individual project. Whenever you create a new project or click on an existing project, this is when you unlock your toolset for that specific project. In the left sidebar, you'll find your project tools that can be used for analyzing the deal, estimating the rehab costs, and managing your projects. So the basic workflow of the project is to start by reviewing the property and owner data that we automatically download for you. Then you'll move on to analyzing the deal using our deal analysis tools to determine if the property is a good deal or not. Once you get a property under contract, you'll move on to the project management and accounting tools to plan your rehab timelines, track your tasks and expenses. You've even got a spot to manage your documents and all of your photos for your projects. So let's start from the top. One of the first things you might want to do when you add a new project is review the property and owner data to confirm the specs and who owns the property. FlipperForce has access to property and owner data for over 150 million properties across the US. So whenever you create a new project, we're going to automatically download those property specs like beds, baths, and square footage. But we also download information about the owner, like the property owner's name, the demographic info, as well as the ownership history and their mortgage history, so you can see if they have a loan on the property and how much they still owe, which will give you inside info when you're negotiating with your sellers. We also have maps and street views that you can use to virtually drive and explore the surrounding neighborhood to see if the property is in a nice area. Once you review the property and owner data, you'll want to use our analysis tools to research the comps, analyze the profitability of the deal, and estimate the rehab cost to make sure you don't overpay for the property. The first analysis tool we have is our comps tool, which can be used for researching recent comparable sales in your area to help you forecast the after repair value of your subject property. FlipperForce automatically finds and recommends recent comparable sales for you based upon the local county records, and you can use those to pick and choose which comps are the best comps that are most comparable to your property. You can even add in your own manual comps if you find some comps off platform that you want to use in your own custom comps analysis. Once you've reviewed the comps to determine an approximate after repair value, you can use the Flip Analyzer tool, which is the step-by-step house flipping calculator for analyzing all the project costs to determine the profitability and the maximum purchase price that you should offer for the property, so that way you don't overpay. The Flip Analyzer, it'll take you through all the steps of analyzing the deal. You can enter the after repair value, your purchase amount, the repairs, all of the buying, holding, and selling costs, as well as your financing costs to calculate the profit, and then it'll also calculate a recommended maximum purchase price that you should offer. Now, to save you time analyzing deals in the future, you'll want to go up to your workspace settings and configure your default analysis settings where you can save all of the typical analysis settings for each step, which will preload into the analyzer on all of your future deals. So initially, you can use the Flip Analyzer tool to quickly analyze the viability of a deal, and if you think you have a good deal on your hands, you can spend a little bit more time putting together a detailed scope of work to establish an accurate renovation estimate for your project. Our Repair Estimator tool comes pre-built with multiple estimate starter templates for rehabs and new construction projects that are built with hundreds of common repair items and unit prices that you can use as a starting point to help you put together an accurate budget for your renovations. The estimator is completely customizable, so you can customize the categories and you can customize the labor and material prices to fit your specific project needs. You can even make material selections in the estimator to pick the specific materials you want to include in your estimate, which will then create a shopping list of all the materials you need to buy for your project. Once you get done customizing your estimate for your project, you can save it as a template so that way you can reuse it on all of your future projects. For a more in-depth dive into our Flip Analyzer tool and our Repair Estimator, you can click on the How It Works link at the top, which will take you to our knowledge base. You can find all kinds of case studies and tutorials on how to analyze a flip and estimate rehab costs for your projects. All of the deal analysis information that we are entering into the Flip Analyzer tool and the Repair Estimator tools are used to create our deal analysis reports. Our investment packet, it's a professional report that you can use to build credibility and raise money from your business partners and lenders. Our investment packet has an executive summary for summarizing the investment opportunity. There's a financial breakdown page showing you the detailed financial analysis of the project costs and profitability. There's a comps page for showing the comps that you're using to justify your after repair value. And there's even a detailed estimate page showing you your detailed scope of work and budget that you've put together for the renovations. The investment packet gives you and your business partners and lenders everything they need in a professional presentation that will blow them away and want them to fund your deal. Once you make an offer and hopefully get the property under contract, you'll want to move on to our project management and accounting tools to start planning your rehab project, creating a project timeline, and establishing the budget so that way you can have a plan in place to hit the ground running once you take possession of the property. One of our main project management features is our project scheduler, which can be used to plan your rehab timelines and your contractor start and completion dates for the major construction and renovation tasks that need to happen on your project. To help you get started, our project scheduler includes multiple schedule starter templates for rehabs and new construction that you can load in to quickly build out a project plan in a matter of seconds. Now the scheduler, it's completely customizable so that way you can add in your own tasks. You can easily drag and drop the task to the start date on the timeline, and you can easily drag to change the overall durations of the tasks. With auto scheduling turned on, you can even add in dependency connections between each of these tasks to create an order of operations for your project schedule. So the project scheduler tool is great for planning and managing the major renovation tasks on your project. But on every house flip, there are hundreds of small miscellaneous tasks that you need to get done on the project. Our task manager is used to manage, organize, and streamline all of these small daily tasks and to-dos that need to get done on your project. You can assign tasks to yourself or you can assign tasks to your teammates and collaborate on tasks to make sure all of your project tasks are getting completed on time and keeping your house flips on track. Your project schedules, your tasks, and events for all of your projects are shown on your overall project calendar. So if you do have multiple flips going on all at the same time, you can track everything that needs to get done on all of your projects in one location. You can also connect your FlipperForce calendar to your favorite external calendar like Google Calendar, Microsoft Outlook, and Apple Calendar to automatically sync all of your schedules, tasks, and events to stay connected wherever you are from any device. Communication and collaboration is an important aspect of project management. Under the Project Pulse area, you're going to find our Project Updates feature and the Project Activity Log for keeping a pulse on everything that's happening on your projects. Our Project Updates feature is where you and your team can post real-time project updates about construction progress, important milestones, and challenges to keep your internal team, your business partners, and lenders informed about everything that's happening on your project. The Project Activity Log, this provides visibility into all the software activities that you and your team are performing in the software. So whenever somebody posts an update, changes the project status, or uploads an expense, you can have a pulse on the activities that are happening on your project. So if you're like me, you probably love the process of actually renovating the house, but you despise the bookkeeping process. You hate QuickBooks and probably have a big stack of expenses in a shoebox that you don't ever add up until the end of the project, so you don't really know how much profit you've made until it's too late. Well, our Project Budgeter and Expense Tracker tools are built to be simple project accounting tools that allow you to compare your budget to your actual expenses side by side so you can see if you are over budget on your project. So whenever you initially analyze your deal and estimate the repair costs using the Flip Analyzer and the Repair Estimator, all of your deal analysis financials are used to establish the budget for your project, which is shown here in the Analysis and Budget columns. Now, right next to the budget column is your To Date column, which shows you the actual amount that you've spent to date from the Expense Tracker tool, so that way you can compare your budget versus actuals side by side. Now the values in the To Date column, they feed from the Expense Tracker, where you can track all of your project expenses. You can track your expenses by the financial account, such as your bank account or credit card. You can track your expenses by the company, so you can see how much you've spent at Home Depot or how much you've paid to a particular contractor on your project. And you can categorize your expenses to track to see how much you've spent in a particular category, like roofing, windows, or cabinetry. So that way you can compare your actual expenses to what you had originally budgeted and estimated for the project. You can even upload your receipt images, so that way you can finally get rid of that old shoebox. All of your project budget information and expenses, they feed to various accounting reports, expense reports, and a final profit statement, which hopefully has a nice big profit number whenever you close out your project. The final project tools can be found in the Files area, where you can manage all of your miscellaneous project documents and photos. The Project Documents area is where you can save all of your miscellaneous documents like your contracts, your purchase agreements, and contractor agreements. And then the Photo Log is where you can save and manage all of your project photos. So whenever you first buy a property, you can save your initial walkthrough photos in the Photo Log, and as you start to renovate the property, you can upload all of your progress photos, and eventually when you get the property done, you can upload all of your after photos. The Photo Log, it automatically orders all of your photos in a chronological timeline view, so that way you can see how the project has progressed from start to finish. So that's a quick overview of our FlipperForce house flipping and real estate project management software. If you want to dive deeper into any specific features, you can use our extensive knowledge base that has articles, case studies, and video tutorials for every feature in the app. Or if you do have any specific questions, just feel free to reach out in the chat app, which you'll find in the bottom right-hand corner. We're always continuously improving the platform, so if you want to stay up to date with what we're building next, you can check out our software roadmap, which we publish on our website, which shows you what we're currently working on and planning on working on in the near future. As always, we're building this platform for you, so if you have any feedback, please reach out or post some ideas in our idea portal. We appreciate you considering FlipperForce for your business and look forward to working with you in the future.